Hey Musties, I'm here at my local Walmart. Looks like they have Season 3 Part 1 of Attack on Titan on Blu-ray. $34.96 for the Blu-ray DVD digital combo and $29.96 for the DVD. So let's take a look at this real quick. Over 130 minutes of special features. Lies uphold these walls. The truth about the Titans begins to come to light. Political secrets, a false king, and the reality that will shake the foundation of the world all falls on the shoulders of Eren and his friends as they fight to survive. With Historia set to be rightful queen, the Levi squad must act, but a figure from Levi's past, the deadly Kenny, could turn this into a losing battle. Are Eren and his friends prepared to face the true monsters that lie within the walls? Special features include Anime Expo 2018 interviews with the Japanese and English voices of Eren Yeager, a Blu-ray exclusive. Inside the episodes, Chibi Theater, the Japanese directors break down episode 46, Japanese promo videos, and textless songs. Let's see here. So looks like 300 minutes and 137 minutes for the special features. I haven't seen Season 3 yet. Did any of you see it? What did you think of it? I thought I heard people say that it was not as good as Season 2 or 1, but I'm not sure. Are you still watching? Are you still a fan? And if you're into collecting Blu-rays or DVDs, let me know if you're going to get that. Thanks for watching, Musties.